Hello everyone, if you're trying to play GTA 5 and you keep getting this error, your operating system does not meet the system requirements to run the game, and you keep getting this DirectX 12 Agility SDK problem, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on GTA 5 easily. So first what you're going to do is you're going to go to your GTA 5's games folder. So if you have the game on Steam or Epic Games, you're going to open up your games platform. And now you're going to go to your library, you're going to right click on GTA 5, or you're going to click onto these three dots, click manage, click onto this open install location icon, and then it will open up the games folder. Now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on your GTA 5 enhanced or GTA 5 legacy exe file. You're going to click onto properties, then click onto compatibility. If you have any checkboxes ticked, just untick them and then click apply. Okay. Now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser, and then you're going to go on to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video. You're going to download this DirectX 12 file on your computer. If it gets blocked, don't worry. Just click onto these three dots and click keep. The file is safe. You can scan it if you want. Click onto this open containing folder thing. Now just copy or cut the file and paste it into your games directory. So paste it here. And once you paste it in your game, now you can go ahead and try to play GTA 5 and you'll see that your game will now work. You will not face that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.